You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce this Hebrew word? This is the 6th month of the civil year and the 12th month of the religious year in the Hebrew calendar. In Hebrew, Adar, Adar, Adar. In English, you can say it as Adar. It's also a character in The Lord of the Rings. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.